Let's go.
Okay.
I have never in all my Australian experience ever found such a beautiful feather. Definitely a keeper. Wow, the colour. Just on our little walk. It's about to approach 5 p.m. and I thought I should go for a little stroll before dinner, and I'm going to head up the little local surf spot that we sit on the hill, and Roman and I share a little spliff, and it's just such a beautiful moment and great to end the day, so I will take you along and show you. And this is the spot that we chill at, and then we just look out here to the views. There's no surfers today, a bit flat for them. Yeah, this is where we chill and we hang out, just nestled amongst the trees. That end of the day goodness. So I'm just chilling here for a moment and reflecting on my time here in Ulladulla and how beautiful it's been so far, and yeah, just very much embracing and appreciating what a gift it is to be healthy, to be humble, grateful, and yeah, along this coastline here in New South Wales, it really is so stunning. And you know, when you can just pull up to these little parts off the streets, we really are so lucky here in Australia. And I know I say that on repeat, but Australia is so bloody beautiful, and when I do get back to Aotearoa in New Zealand, it very much will make me appreciate the beauty that's over there and what all that's got to offer. The land of the free, but not so much. But yeah, I'm very excited to get back to New Zealand soon, and yeah, just hang out, climb some mountains, feel the cold, and just nestle in some roots for a little bit. And yeah, it's going to be cool to take my Australian partner over as well, and he'll get to explore and learn some of our culture. Very, very cool. A lot of me wants to just take him straight to Auckland Museum or even the Wellington Museum to get cultured straight away. I love the museum. I think it really has a lot to offer, and you can really dive deep into, you know, yeah, the heritage, the culture, ancestry, all of that. So yeah, watch this space. I'm very much enjoying the vlogging and recording little old life and just sharing with others who are even potentially in different parts of the world, and sort of just seeing what it's like to be here, and even if you're interested to come to Australia. So yeah, this is just some of the beauty. We saw whales yesterday, absolutely stunning. Need to get out and do a lot more hikes, I really do. I've been a bit slack lately, I think because of the cold mostly. So yeah, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. The sky is looking extra cool, very trippy. I'm just gonna make a tea before dinner. I think I'll have like a chamomile tea. I got this natural one. Where is it? That was from Milton. I think a couple vlogs back I showed you guys in the van when I got the fresh tea. Yeah, it's going really nicely, especially in the mornings and the evenings. Yeah, I've never quite seen chamomile like that. It's so bubbly and chunky and fun. So I'll let that sit for a bit. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this little mixed style vlog. It's been a little scattered, but I've just been trying to get the clips in where I can, especially when we're out and about doing things. I know the mundane stuff like making teas and all that's not that great, but I enjoy it, happy to share, and I hope you guys like it too. And again, I'm still just building up this little YouTube content channel thing, still experimenting, still trying to get comfortable and confident with the camera. But yeah, I'm going to knock off here now and edit this video and then post it. So yeah, I would very much appreciate if you guys can like the videos, subscribe and support me. Come check me out on Instagram, Nomad Freedom. Yeah, your support means a lot, guys, and I appreciate if you've been following the journey so far and tapping in. So thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.